Today we want to talk about another use of the ablative case. You recall that the ablative so far has been used for things like ablative of means and ablative of place where. Our new ablative use is called ablative of accompaniment. An ablative of accompaniment is one of the ablatives that actually uses a preposition in Latin. It uses the preposition cum, which is translated with. And you say, well, haven't we already had one like that? Well, we have. Ablative of means, you recall, is also translated with or by. But the thing with ablative of means, it does not have a preposition in Latin. Consider this sentence. Agricola cum filia nautam cibo servabit. Copy that sentence, underline each of the two ablative nouns, and see if you can identify the use of each one. Is it ablative of means, ablative of place where, or ablative of accompaniment? Go ahead and pause the video and do that now. What you should have found was filia, that nice long A ablative from first declension, and cibo with the O ablative singular from second declension. But you notice that filia is after the word cum. So we've got here the ablative of accompaniment. This is just the ablative of means. Notice that we've got an ablative word, but no preposition in front of it. Now notice how these things are translated. We've got the farmer with his daughter will save the sailor with food. Notice that in English, we've actually used the word with two separate times. We've got with food and with his daughter. Those are really two very different senses. Notice the first time, the farmer simply doing something accompanied by his daughter. He's with his daughter, and in Latin, we use the preposition cum. The second time we use the word with in English is simply showing the means with which he will save the sailor. Maybe the sailor's really hungry, and so he will save him with food. If he were poor, he might save him with money. So ablative of means, no preposition in Latin, but we use the word with in English. Ablative of accompaniment, there is a preposition in Latin, and we still translate it using with in English. And that's ablative of accompaniment.